Introducing the Mary Cell Candle Warmer Lamp, a perfect gift for all the amazing moms out there. Transform your bedroom into a cozy sanctuary with this electric candle lamp warmer. Designed to bring warmth and fragrance to any space, it's compatible with a variety of scented waxes and jar candles. With its dimmable feature, you can create the perfect ambiance for relaxation. But here's the exciting part. The Mary Cell Candle Warmer Lamp is not just a beautiful addition to your home decor. It's also a conversation starter. So, whether you're in New York, London, or anywhere in between, let the warm glow of this lamp spread brand awareness in the most delightful way. Order yours today and brighten up your space with